Jerry Dreesen is a highly experienced and qualified chiropractor who has been providing excellent care to patients in Linwood, Shoreline, Woodway, Edmonds, Alderwood, and Mountlake Terrace, Washington for over 25 years. He is passionate about helping his patients achieve optimum health and well-being, and he offers a wide range of services to meet their individual needs. Whether you are experiencing pain or simply want to improve your overall health. If you are looking for a chiropractor who will provide you with compassionate, individualized care, call Dr. Jerry Dreesen today at 425-670-2600 to schedule a free consultation. Visit his office at Back to Action Chiropractic Center, 6603 220th Street Southwest, Suite 100, Mountlake Terrace, Washington 98043. You can also visit his website www.backtoaction.com to know more about him.